Summer Internship Program for women and underrepresented minorities is one of the key components of the Intel Semiconductor project at Central State University. This semiconductor program funded by Intel is a collaborative effort between Central State University and 5 other Ohio-based universities, including the Wright State University, Cedarville University, Stark State College, Youngstown State University, and the Ohio State University. This 8-week internship program is designed to train students from diverse backgrounds, from high school to undergraduate levels, both in the STEM and non-STEM major.
And this project is actually serving as the seed money that we are trying to use to establish the labs, develop some certificate programs, recruit people, train them through summer internship so that we can have long-term, we can be eligible to apply for long-term funding opportunities.
I really like to express my sincere appreciation for the support coming from Intel. We had very successful project. We have more than 20 students participated in the summer internship. And the interesting thing, they are from engineering, from science, and even from business. In addition, we have students from high school.
We had 5 courses related to semiconductor technology, including Introduction to Microelectronics, Introduction to Microelectronic Security, Additive Manufacturing and Manufacturing and Printed Circuit Boards, and Clean Room Fabrication. They learned the hands-on aspects on how do we test, design, and fabricate those chips on the labs. So they interacted with milling machines, they have reprogrammable logic or FPGA design.
It was fun. When the students came, we gave them an idea about what additive manufacturing is and how additive manufacturing is also impacting electronic manufacturing, because there has been a lot of work going on nowadays, especially at the packaging level, where additive manufacturing can provide a big research opportunities.
In our RISE strategy to be responsible, inclusive, sustainable, and enabling, under that inclusivity, we set very difficult goals like getting to 50% technical women. Right? And if you look at the industry today, for engineers, it's roughly 25%. Technicians are even lower, like 10%. So to get to that one, we have to really invest in being able to attract and tell people what a wonderful job opportunity it would be to work at Intel, the women that are existing, the underrepresented minorities.
So I go to industry and know how the ratio is a very smaller portion of female and other minorities. Also, I know my students work in some industry, there's no female at all in some group. So as an underrepresentative of me, I'm so honored to have this opportunity to work with them together. We hold hand together. We want to fill the gap. We all know we want to do it. They can do it, we can do it.
Being Black, being a woman, all this being in STEM is just a lot. So seeing someone from China who's a female as my professor is just really eye-opening and really important for people to see.
Technology is so big nowadays, and just moving forward, technology isn't going to do anything but improve. So just knowing that semiconductors and printed circuit boards are just involved in everything is really what excites me.
What interested me most was how it's in everything around us and we don't even realize it. Computers, LED lights, and most importantly, our phones that we use every day.
We can have lots of lectures, but when it comes to actually applying the technology, we need people to be trained hands-on. And the good thing about this internship program is that it provides them the opportunity to get their hands-on into the technology so that they can learn and actually do things to solve the problems.
One of the reasons why I wanted to be a technician was because you can get your hands on and do the projects yourself. And the labs here have been great. We've been doing a lot of the actual design on the computer.
This is something that I want to do in the future, and it's like this seems perfect for me because I can learn everything from step 1 to the end of manufacturing, because most internships at least I've seen, you only do one part of it, and I was really excited that we got to start from scratch, learn about everything and design our own and then manufacture them, and also kind of visit all the processes.
Being able to be in a lab environment and actually being a part of fabricating these boards is very exciting.
With all the labs and stuff, it kind of puts things more in perspective, because anybody could tell you have to put ones and zeros and wires and lines together, but having to actually do it and see it all together and put it together is really fun, and it takes kind of the job aspect out of it, and it just makes it something really exciting to do and really exciting to learn.
This program has helped to strengthen the diversity component of the high technology Intel manufacturing complexes that's been built in Ohio. We look forward to getting more minority students to go into high technology areas where students have typically been underrepresented and where graduates have typically been underrepresented.
Rice State is looking forward to working more closely with Central State University in building these opportunities and expanding the pipeline, and also enable Central State University to establish microfabrication and semiconductor training facilities and work collaboratively with each other to build that and support that.
And where diversity thrives, innovation thrives. And so there is no better partners than Wright State and Central to be able to help us with that diversification of talent and, in an advanced field like advanced manufacturing.